Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing wonderful in your lives. Okay, I welcome you all with my whole heart and love in my channel. And thank you so much for liking my video, for subscribing my channel. And if you like my video, you can please like, share, and subscribe. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. This is the video for you for more bonus messages, for more bonus messages. Okay, I'm here to tell you out. Okay, so the best messages which I need to deliver. Let's see, I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out. Okay, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the best positive messages to my lovely Aquarius. 1 minute, I need to connect my charger. Okay, so yeah, sorry for that. Help me out to give the best positive message. Let me get out all the messages first so that I can tell you out. So in this reading, Aquarius, I am combining two things. Okay, I'm going to tell you that what your consciousness is trying to tell you. Okay, what your consciousness is trying to tell you, and what is your energy, what are the people, what is your intention wants to tell you. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to tell them what are the messages. Okay. Any other message which needs to tell you out. Help me out to give the best message. Wow. Beautiful energy, Aquarius. Beautiful messages I'm getting for you. Lovely messages, and I love these messages. This is what I was telling you before too. Let me see any other thing. These cards are very beautiful. The images which are here, anything else you want to tell me, anything else you want me to tell to Aquarius. Okay, they're trying to stop me. Okay, I'm not going to take it because it's saying no. Okay, so yeah, let's start it, Aquarius. First is your consciousness. In your consciousness, you are very optimistic, Aquarius. You are having very optimism in life. You are focusing on positive things. Okay, in your consciousness, you are more positive, Aquarius. You are more focusing on positive things. Okay, whatever you are dealing with in right now, in the situation or in the life, in a relationship, you are not focusing on that. You are more optimistic, more optimism in ahead in your life. And next message is, and that's very good, Aquarius, that you are more focusing on optimism. Spirit wants to tell your higher self, you are getting your higher self, Aquarius. Can you see this girl is smiling and getting the light out of the heart? You are turning your higher self, you are turning into your higher self. That's what Spirit wants to tell you. That's your spirit energy is telling you. This is your spirit energy. You are turning your higher self. people, new supportive connections. New supportive connections are right now entering in your life. Maybe the connections you were dealing in the past were not supportive at all, but now new connections are there in your life which will be more supportive to you, Aquarius. Some of you Aquarius, in the consciousness, you need to release this victim mentality. In your consciousness there is an victim mentality, so you need to release it. Okay, in your consciousness this energy is to be released as soon as possible. You need to release this energy in from your consciousness. Some of you may be believing on this energy. In your consciousness there is a victim mentality, so you need to release it. Energy, you are in a stuck energy. Some of you Aquarius are in a stuck energy. Okay, but can you see there is a rainbow over here, but this guy is sitting on the car is stuck in the way. So you need to get out of this stuck energy. Okay, and your intention is to taking steps. Very nice, your intention is to taking steps forward, and that's very beautiful, Aquarius. Your intention is to move ahead. You want to take steps ahead. That's your intention. Very nice intention, Aquarius. Some of you are having dark thoughts in the consciousness, and you need to release it as soon as possible. The consciousness, in your consciousness there are dark thoughts, there is victim mentality. These two energy you have to work on, Aquarius. In your consciousness there is some victim mentality and dark thoughts, so you have to work on your consciousness to get rid of it as soon as possible. Okay, and also in your consciousness that you know that you deserve the best, and that's very good, Aquarius. In your consciousness you deserve best, you know it. You are moving ahead with optimism. These two energy in your consciousness is very good, so you have to focus on these two energies. Okay, Aquarius, you know your worth. In your consciousness you know that you deserve the best. Very nice. In your energy it's saying letting go of things, people, relationship which don't serve you at all. Okay, letting go is the thing. And what is happening, what events are happening in your life is deception. People were giving you deception in the past. Okay, so these were the events which were happening in your life. Okay, these were the things which were happening in your life. That's why you have created a victim mentality in the consciousness. But once you get rid of these deceptions, the people, the events, you will get out of it, Aquarius. Maybe some of you are still dealing with the toxic people who is giving you deceptions only. Okay, the events were giving you deceptions. Things were happening in your life which creates deceptions, lies, manipulations. People were, can you see there is a woman and man? So there were people in the life which were giving deception to you, whether it's a male or female, but you were getting deception in your life. And people, teacher, yeah, so people are teaching you, Aquarius. Whatever the deception was getting, they're telling you, they're teaching you something. There is a negative energy around you, but there is a positive energy too. There are good people who wants to teach you something good. Can you see there is a man here who is standing here, and there is a light, there is a lot of lights. This girl is reading books, learning something. So there are teachers in your life. There are people who are teacher to you. Learn from them, Aquarius. They want to teach you something very good. Wow, very nice. There are new supportive connections, Aquarius. So yeah, these were the consciousness things energy, people around you which you were dealing with in the past or in the current right now, but you are getting out of it because in your consciousness you know that you deserve best, you are optimistic, just you need to work through your dark thoughts and victim mentality. Okay, so you need to work on that. Let's see, work your light oracle. Let's see what are the messages from these cards, and this is the messages to work on your light. Okay, not on your shadow side. We have to more focus on our light energy. Okay, let's see what this deck wants to tell you. Work on your light oracle deck. Let's see what this wants to tell you, and these cards are also very beautiful. Okay, let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Mirror. Who and what is triggering you, Aquarius? That you need to see. Mirror. There is something which is triggering you, which is creating repulses in you. Okay, trying to trigger you. Who and what is triggering you? So many messages. Let's see what are the messages. Wow. Keepers of the earth, you are not alone. Ancient ancestors stand besides you. Ancestors, spirits has your back, Aquarius. You are not alone. Okay, so don't ever feel alone. You are not alone. Ancestors are there with you, keeping your back beside you. Rama, where are you being called to journey? Where are you being called to journey to? Your life journey is calling you somewhere. You need to know this. Okay. Awakening. Okay, your life journey is calling you to be awakened now. Okay, get aware of it, Aquarius. Get awake. Energetic upgrades, a new way of being, integration, awakening is happening in your life. You are getting more awakened on spiritual basis. So your life journey involves awakening, and they are calling you for being more awakened. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Any other message? Any other message? Okay. Star Mother, can you mother yourself? How can you mother yourself? So Star Mother is there. Wow, beautiful. How can you mother yourself? Star Mother is there to help you out, Aquarius. Beautiful. Just say yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so just say yes. You cannot be mother of yourself. Okay, Aquarius, you can give the energy of mother to others. Okay, you can be a mother of others, but you cannot be a mother of yourself. So Star Mother is there to help you out to be a mother of you, and you just need to say yes. Okay, so we are very important. Any other message? Any other message? Any other message to my beautiful lovely Aquarius? These are beautiful messages full of light, I can say. They give the positive vibes. While I always do. Whenever I do, I hardly use this deck, but whenever I do, I get the best positive messages for you. Okay, you are getting awakened, Aquarius, on a spiritual way. Yeah, see, soul family. Call in your tribe. You don't have to do it alone. Your soul family, call your soul family. Birthing a new age is bottom of the deck I'm having. Can you see? A soul family. You do not have to do it all alone. Call in your tribe. Call your soul family, Aquarius. You have your soul family. Okay, so call your soul family. Birthing new creations, dreaming a new world into being. And let's see what I'm having right now in the back of it. High Priestess. How are you being called to step up and lead? You are having new beginnings, Aquarius. Let me adjust my camera. birthing a new age. You are giving birth to new age, Aquarius, birthing new creations, dreaming a new world into being. You are giving us something new. Now it's clear, okay? Birthing a new age. So yeah, these are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Just see, Aquarius, who and what is triggering you. Something is triggering you. Mirror. Because you are on a soul journey, Aquarius. Aquarians are here for a reason. If you don't know this, I am going to tell you out this. You are here to raise the vibration of the Mother Earth, planet Earth. You are here to help the frequency, raise the frequency, vibrations, okay? Because this is in your timeline, basically, in your blueprint of your soul. You are born into golden age of Aquarius because God has given you, choose you for something special. See, again I'm getting these two cards. High Priestess and break the chain. Ancestral patterns, healing, rewriting the future. Yeah, break the chain. Whatever you need, this is the rebel card, rebel with a cause, okay? You need to break the patterns, okay? Whatever the ancestral patterns were, you need to break it. Heal yourself and rewrite the future, Aquarius. So yeah, and again, High Priestess, how are you being called to step up and lead? You are getting more intuitive now. So why are you being called up to step up and lead? Because you are born as an Aquarius, okay? Answer the call. What is your call? What is your soul calling you to do? So yeah, these are the messages, Aquarius. You are here for a reason, okay, Aquarius, and you are giving a birth to a new age, birthing a new age. You are here for giving a new age, giving birth to a new age. So help as much as you can, do in it, to be a part on it, birthing new creations, dreaming a new world into being. Call your soul family, Aquarius, and you're getting more awakening. That's why you're getting more intuitive. That's why you are getting this energy of High Priestess, because now you are getting awakened in all way. Wow, energetic upgrades, a new way of being, integration. Very nice, superb messages. Thank you so much, Walk Your Light Oracle, for giving the best messages. Let's see what is the Star Seed Oracle wants to tell you, okay? And this is because Aquarius, you are the star seeds. If you don't know this, I can tell you out this, okay? So yeah, let's see what are the messages from the Star Seed Oracle deck. I'm going to add some messages. This is the age of Aquarius, okay? And I'm proud of you all. I am also an Aquarius, sunshine, moonshine Aquarius. I am pure Aquarius, I can say. So yeah, also my Venus sign is Gemini. So yeah, I am more of an Aquarius and Gemini combination, but I am more of an Aquarius. So I can tell you this, that you are here for a reason. Okay, you have superpowers, Aquarius. God has blessed you with superb things which you don't even aware of. So yeah, right now you are rising as a star. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the best positive messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Yes, I got it. First message is fall into my arms, surrender holding the opposites, extremes of life. Fall into my arms, Surrender, holding the opposites extreme of life. Big picture thinking, inspired ideas. Yes, Aquarius, you need to think big picture. That's what I'm telling you. Big picture thinking. You got the love. Hardian energy, codependency, boundaries. You got the love. Once you get release this codependency and set boundaries, you will get your love. And you're getting your love. You got the love. Okay, the seas of Mintaka, seeking potential, bringing unconsciousness to the light. Okay, the void, stop, embarrass winter, great cosmic warmth. Okay, that's the important message. Let's see any other message you want me to deliver. Any other message which you need to deliver. Okay. Your life is a canvas. Artist, manifestations, creative accountability. Yes, your life is a canvas, Aquarius. You can draw anything you want to. So draw beautiful things, Aquarius. Okay. Beautiful messages. Any other message you want me to deliver? Okay. You are not alone. Isolation, physical connection and community. You are not alone, Aquarius. Never feel alone. Okay, you are not alone. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much, Starseed Oracle, for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. Let's see what Divine Doors wants to tell you, because each of the Divine Door is having a message for you, a note for you. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the best messages which you need to deliver. Deeper, you are not finished. You are not yet done. Dig deeper and deeper, and the best is to come. Hold on and hold on. Yes, Aquarius, you are not done. Okay, things are still on the way. Okay, 2233 is the recording reading time. You are not finished. You are not done yet. Dig deeper and deeper. The best is about to come. Very important, beautiful message, deep message, I can say. Next is intuition. Simple, complex word of pains or words that heal. You come to know truth by the way that it feels. Intuitions. Work on your intuitions, Aquarius. Intuition is coming. Intuition message is coming in each of the deck. So yes, work on your intuitions. Your intuition will get to know, will tell you what is right and what is wrong for you. Okay, so get your intuitions. Morning memory. Its healing gift runs a destined course. The morning dawn are inspired source. Meditation under the sun. Morning memory. Meditate under the sun. Okay, Aquarius. Begin here. Do not fear what travels bring, my dear. The moment is yours. Begin now here. Okay. Just begin, Aquarius. Don't fear at all. God is there with you. Okay. Any other message you want me to deliver? Any other message you want me to deliver? Any other message? Okay. A stranger grace. Ego fears the sudden danger, but never underestimate the kindness of a loving stranger. A stranger grace. Never never take granted of a kindness of a loving stranger. So if someone is loving you, never take them for granted, Aquarius. Enough. Okay. The Otzi, take in the beauty of the country, land and botany, explore the wonder like a gispy traveler, Odyssey. And the last message is patience. Everything soon will come to light, and then you will see the things will be all right. So that's the message from the Divine Doors. Patience, Aquarius. Things will be right, and once you will get to know that this was the thing, that you will be laughing that what these were the things. Okay, so yeah, everything is working in your favor. God is working in your favor. The universe is working in your favor. So these are the messages. Let me see what is your soul journey lesson for today. What is your soul journey lesson for today? What is the soul journey soul journey lessons are very important, Aquarius. So let's see what are the soul journey lesson. What are the soul journey lessons for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Patience, very important. Service. Your soul journey lesson is patience. I accept that everything happens in divine orders. Yes, Aquarius, you need to keep patience. You need to learn this lesson. Okay, this is your soul journey lesson, that everything is working according to divine timing. So leave all the things in on the divine. They will bring everything when the time has come. Okay. Service. I feel good when I can help others. Very important. That's the superb lesson you need to learn. 2626 was the recording reading time. Some of you have to, whenever you help others, you feel good. Okay. So help others. Any other message? Okay. Growth. I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. That's very important message for you, Aquarius. Your soul wants to, soul lesson is that you always want to expand your consciousness and your awareness. Guilt. I release any beliefs that no longer assist in my soul growth. Guilt. If you're having guilt, Aquarius, just release them. Release as soon as possible, so that it will not come in between in your soul's growth. Okay, Aquarius. Any other message, any other lesson that we need to learn? Any other message that we need to learn? Any other message? Okay, doubt. I release the need to know all the answers. Never doubt a situation. Things will unfold until the divine, when the divine time will come, Aquarius. So doubt is the soul lesson that you need to learn. Okay, that your souls want to learn it. Release the need to know the answers. You will know all the answer when the time will come. Okay. Balance. I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. Very important lesson, Aquarius. Any other lesson, message? Okay, perseverance. I know that I can do whatever I set my mind to. Yes, Aquarius, you can do, you can achieve whatever your mind, you can achieve anything once you set your mind to. Okay, so you just need to shift your focus on your mind. Okay, on your perseverance. Let's see any other message, any other messages, any other messages. Abundance. Wow. I am limitless being, and I can manifest whatever I desire in this physical reality. Very important that you are abundant of everything, Aquarius. You are abundant of love, happiness, money, life, everything. Okay, Aquarius. So you are abundant. That you need to know. So these are the messages from the soul journey lesson cards that you need to learn for your soul. Okay. Let me use this. I have not used yet. Okay. Fortune reading cards. Okay, let me see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from this. I have already done your main reading and bonus reading, so these is bonus readings. Okay, Aquarius, more messages, because today I was thinking to give you more messages. Let's see what are the messages which Thorns, weathering the challenges ahead will bring you in a new and positive futures. Thorns, very important message. Okay, any other message which you want to tell me? Any other message you want me to tell? Any other message you want me to tell? Okay, so many messages. And bottom of the deck I'm having Chariot. Charge ahead with confidence, stay strong and focus, Aquarius. So yeah, these are the messages what I'm having right now. Wow. Cracker, positive energy surrounds you, love, joy and good fortune waits. Cracker is your message. Birth, universal energy brings you opportunity and possibility. Very important message. Patience, slow down, change your attitude and clear your mind. Very important message. Patience. And key and birth is there something new is happening. New beginnings are there for you, Aquarius. Okay, new beginnings, directions, adventures are waiting for those who ready to let go of the past. So you need to let go of the past as soon as possible so that you can move ahead with new directions and with new adventures waiting for you, Aquarius. So these are the messages for you. Thank you so much for giving the best messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Today I'm going to add one more thing. Life loves you cards, in which I'm going to tell you one thing. What life wants to tell you, Aquarius. Let's see. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? I choose peace. Life wants to tell you that life does not want you to suffer. You struggle because you let life love you only so much. When there is a drama in your life, let grace in. I choose peace. That's important message life wants to tell you. Any other message? Any other message? Okay. 1 minute, I need to get up. So yeah, it just fell out. First message was I choose peace. Second is I am flourishing. Imagine your income expanding easily and effortlessly. Trust that all your material needs are being met by the universe. Next message, and very beautiful message. I love this message. I am blessed. Take a few moments to count your blessings. Complete this sentence 10 times, Aquarius. One way life is loving me right now is you are blessed, Aquarius. That's what I was telling you. Okay, life wants to tell you that you are blessed. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver to my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Any other message? Any other message? Any other message you want me to deliver? I love life and life loves me. When you feel envy or lack, say to yourself, I love life and life loves me. Be in love with your life. Let life bless you today. Very important and beautiful message. Any other messages? Any other messages which you need me to deliver to my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? 1 minute. Okay. Any other message? Any other message which you want me to deliver to my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? Okay. I open my mind and say yes to life. So yes was there in the in previous deck also. Okay, so life is inviting you to experiencing a whole new level of experience. Life is inviting you to experience a whole new level of happiness, healing, prosperity, success and love. So I open my mind and say yes to life. Very important message, Aquarius. I say yes to be a better receiver. When you are willing to receive, a gift appears. Wow. Life loves me. Life loves us all. Look at yourself in a mirror. Breathe in and say, life loves me. As you breathe out, smile. Repeat 10 times. Life loves me. I express my gratitude. Make gratitude your spiritual practice today. Start with good morning bed. Thank you for being so comfortable. I love you. The more you express gratitude, the more you will find to be grateful for. I see myself through the eyes of love. Look in the mirror and say, I love and accept myself exactly as I am. Keep saying it until you really feel it. Okay, Aquarius? Let me see any other message because I'm feeling that there is more message. Any other message? Any other message you want me to deliver? Okay. Too many messages, I guess. Okay, I'll take it. I am open and receive to love. Life is always trying to love you, but you need to open to see it. Complete this sentence. I could make it easier for life to love by me. I connect with nature today. Spend time outdoors today. Breathe in the fresh air. Relax under a tree. Take in the whole sky. Notice that nature is not judging you. I connect with the nature today. Very important message. I can do it. Trust. In times of trouble, remember this, Aquarius. Who you think you can not handle this challenge, but who you really are can and will. I can do it. Trust. I live in a friendly universe. Let life befriend you today. Every hour on the hour throughout the day, remind yourself, I live in a friendly universe. I love and accept myself. Your self-image is made up of your judgment, Aquarius. It's not real you. Sit for 10 minutes with this question. What is like to be me? What is it like to be me when I'm not judging myself? And very important and last message from this. I choose happiness. I choose happiness. Very important message. 0440 was the recording time. Memo to self, Aquarius. Remember to enjoy the miracle of existence today. Okay, so you have to choose happiness. And bottom of the deck is I am creative. Honor your unique gifts, Aquarius. Think of 3 ways you could express your creativity today. Okay, you are born creatives. That's what I tell you every time in my every video, that you are born with great powers and gifts. You are blessed, Aquarius, with lots of things. Okay, so just enjoy yourself. Just take care of yourself. Feel blessed. So yeah, these are the messages for you, Aquarius, today. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, I tried my level best to give you all the messages what I was giving, what I was receiving for you. Okay, so if you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. Okay, till the time 0606 for the recording time. Till the time, you have to take care of yourself, and see you soon, Aquarius.